Alam mo, ano, Dillinger, it's not the first time, you know? I have super chatter, they send me $80, $50, but they don't ask anything. No, and I never ask from my viewers, no, if it's depend on to them, no, they didn't ask if the sent, why kasakit, binuang ra man kadiha, oy, ayan, done for na, nagbinuang ra kadiha, wa kay lingaw. Wa kay lingaw diha. Nakatilaw na kog super chat, oy, mga 80, 50. Ano? Kaya wag mo kong inaano diyan. At saka never ako nag-demand. I never demand, no? So it's depend of the person. Sometimes they don't chat and I surprised that, oh, but they never ask if I sent super chat 50. Ano ang